Eric, man, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Dr. Gulani.
Oh, man. How's Kenya?
Very fine.
Yes, very fine.
Yes. It's good to see you.
Great to see you again. So nice to see you. How are my eyes doing?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yes.
Lovely. Mr. Kenya!
Dr. Gulani.
How are my eyes doing?
Fine, fine. Yeah, I'm seeing extremely better than where I was when I came here 18 months ago.
Amazing, amazing. Doctors watching, this is how he had come to us. A cornea less than 200 microns in many areas, even down to 100 microns. Look right here, nearly down to decimates. And a fully white mature cataract, over 10 diopters irregular astigmatism, keratometry nearly 80, 77.4. So nearly 80 diopters keratometry, peak less than 200 micron, nearly 100 micron cornea. You can see the peak and the thinning. And under that a white cataract. How do you make him see? And this cone also, on addition, he had LASIK on top of this, right?
Yes, yes.
So imagine there's a flap there and he was cross-linked, yes?
Yes.
Before you came from Kenya.
Yeah.
18 months ago when he had arrived. And we planned through a lensoplastic surgery to make him see. And there's the lens. And how did we manage the optics without touching this abnormal cone? And the proof is always the patient, not just data and statistics. Real people. And today, 18 months later, he's come here for a follow-up. How's the vision, Eric?
So the vision is actually, to me, this is my 2020. The vision is way better. Even I was told the only solution was to do a cornea transplant.
And this dynamite guy is here for business. You're going to Utah for business.
Yes.
So doctors, don't give up on them, no matter how complex. Can there be a cone more extreme than this with a situation so extreme as this? And that too in both eyes, right? Both your eyes were same.
Yes.
And how he's today. And you were seeing immediately, right? After
Yes.
surgery.
Yes.
This is like 18 months later follow-up. And how bad was the surgery?
The surgery, the surgery was painless. The surgery was painless.
And you remember you met the other patient like you, Chris from
Yes,
Seattle?
from Seattle.
And you'll cut the cake together.
Yes.
Your birthday, I remember.
On the 29th of
29th
September.
September.
Yes.
Yes. So doctors, it's a pleasure. Don't say no to these patients. Fight for them and intelligently fight. Think outside the corner, let's say, and then see what comes out. Look at this dynamite guy. And he was blind in both eyes, and such a pleasure. He still carries the horrible cone, but he's seeing. There's no higher accountability than the patient on camera. And when they fly back for me to see them, it's a privilege because my teaching continues to have that integrity that these are real people. I want people to fight for you. Right, Eric?
Yes.
Anything you want to say to doctors who are always watching?
The only thing I'll say is thank you, Dr. Gulani, for giving me back the gift of vision. Thank you so much. And all the doctors out there, fight for your patients. Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely. Pleasure. Safe travels back to Kenya.
Thank you.
Excellent.
I have Gulani Vision.
Pleasure. Safe travels back.
I have something here for you.
Eric! Man, you guys are my guests. What is this now?
This is a different set now of Kenyan tea. Different flavors. All these flavors. You have a taste of our pride in Kenya.
Eric, thank you so much.
Yes.
Coming here itself is my pride.
Yes.
Flavored tea. Wow, look at that. Thank you, Eric, so much.
Thank you so much.
Be amazing. Absolutely amazing. Come on,
Thank you.
come. Safe travel back. Safe travels back. Eric, let Kenya know what happens here.
Yes, for sure. 100%. Thank you so much.
Pleasure to see you.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Careful, careful. Safe travels back. Enjoy. Keep in touch.
I will. Thank you.
My pleasure. Bye-bye.